What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Raymond Taco Forever. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm about to another video. Before I get into that video, I want to remind everyone that I leave a link to a different playlist in every description box. Take time to click on those links, run the views up, run the thumbs up, run the comments up. And if you feel the need to share the playlist, feel free to share the playlist. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn on post bell notifications. They'll be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm about another video. Today I'm about another taste test. We're doing a taste test of Tropical Smoothie Calf Green Dream Bowl. It's a yogurt bowl called Green Dream. How did they print it? Green Dream Yogurt. It's a yogurt bowl they got. These some new bowls they got in Tropical Smoothie Calf. I always say I'm gonna try it and never got around to it. So today I went to get a smoothie for my brother. Now I'm about to try this for myself. Show you how it look. The green yogurt, it got berries and some fruit on top. I just want to try it because it's something different. Oh, it got coconut. Oh man. See how they look? Yeah. I can't wait to dive in this. They got a bunch of different bowls that I want to try, and I'm going to make sure I try them all eventually, you know. At least try one a month or one every blue moon. But today, this is a lucky one I want to try. Just see what it tastes like. See the coconut and the fruit and the yogurt. I think it tastes good. Oh man. Tropical Smoothie came up with something. Look at that. Oh man. Yeah. Yo, this is good. Now I can't even get the lid back on it. Oh my God, like, yo, come on. Come on, lid. Come on. Oh my God. Hey, get your butt up there. So I guess this is one of them bowls where when you take the lid off, you can't go back up there, because, man, that's not fair. But I give it a Raymond Taco Forever 2 thumbs up. I can't wait to try all of them. I think it's like 6 of them. For a shout out video the last Sunday. And in February, tell me in the comments how you try any of the Tropical Smoothie Calf yogurts. Let me know in the comments which one you like, which one you didn't like. And I give you a shout out video the last Sunday in February. Also, if you like the taste test, take the time to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure you turn on post bell notifications. They'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I do leave a link to a different playlist in every description box. Take time to click on those links, run the views up, run the thumbs up, run the comments up. If you feel the need to share the playlist, feel free to share it out. This is good, yo. This is really good, like for real. One more screenshot for the road. It's good, yo. All that yogurt. I'm gonna mess it up when I get to my brother's house.